এবারে শুভেচ্ছা বক্তব্য রাখার জন্য মঞ্চে আসার বিনীত অনুরোধ জানাচ্ছি ডাক্তার নুরুল আমিন, নিউরো সায়েন্স স্পেশালিস্ট, ইউএসএ। আপনাকে।
The big problem around the world is today we call these autism children. Actually, the root cause of autism comes from fetal development of pregnant women. Some other causes around there, I'll make it short, could be inflammation, could be mitochondrial dysfunctioning. Another root cause could be vaccinations, massive vaccinations they push in our body. Other could be during 0 to 18 month children, development timing, obesity, diabetes, drugs, alcohol, many more. Let's come back to the main part of the source of autism. Our women, pregnant women, should be more careful on that, especially pregnant women. When the pregnancy kick off, they should be very careful on that. They have to have a certain spatial environment that cannot be unhygienic. Their clothing cannot be unhygienic. Their bed cannot be unhygienic. Their food has to be organic, non-fertilizing, steroidal food. Their visiting of doctors cannot be wrong treatment at the same time. And inflammations, basically during the pregnancy, some viruses, bacteria can be attack on the women. That could be cause of dysfunctioning of mitochondrial development staging. Has to be very careful. Now, we don't care about our women during the pregnancy. Our male, which is husbands, and they have to be more caring to the women. They cannot give them hard time during the pregnancy. They have to love them because it's a very sensitive situation, sensitive timing for women. They want more caring, more loving from men. I see, like in our country, especially in low income people, they are not capable, probably economically or some other context, they don't care that much. During that time, probably the women, pregnant women got fever, got viruses, got bacteria, they don't go to doctors. That could be leading cause mitochondrial dysfunctioning during the development of fetus, that main causes. Thank you so much for inviting me here.